Welcome to Smart Money, Why Investors Are Buying Boring Businesses. I'm Anthony Hitch, founder of Quantum Advisory Group, and in this series, we break down why sophisticated investors and private equity firms are aggressively targeting the businesses that most people overlook. I'm talking about the stable businesses, cash flow driven industries, quietly attracting serious capital. Let's get into it. Now, most people think that investors are chasing flashy startups, viral technology companies, or the next big trend everyone's talking about online. But now, behind the scenes, a lot of serious money is moving in the complete opposite direction. And it's into boring businesses, all right? And when investors say boring, now, they don't mean bad businesses. They mean businesses like HVAC companies, pest control, commercial cleaning, roofing, waste management, laundromats, plumbing companies. I think you get the picture, right? Businesses people depend on basically every single day, whether the economy is up or down, good or bad, okay? Now, here's actually why this matters and why this makes sense right now in this video. A lot of these companies generate predictable cash flow. All right. Customers repeatedly need the service, which creates recurring demand over very long periods of time. All right. And that stability is extremely valuable to investors. But there's another reason smart money loves these industries. Most of them are highly fragmented, meaning there are thousands, of small owner operated businesses with no dominant company controlling the market. And really that creates a lot of opportunity, okay? Private equity firms can acquire multiple smaller companies and then combine them into larger regional platforms, improving operations and dramatically increase overall valuation. So while most people ignore these businesses because they aren't exciting, right? Like AI, okay? Investors see something completely different, okay? So what investors see is recurring revenue. They see operational stability. They see long-term demand and scalable cash flow, all right? In private markets, that combination becomes extremely powerful. And that's why capital continues flowing aggressively into these industries right now. That's today's breakdown on smart money, why investors are buying boring businesses. I'm Anthony Hitch, founder of Quantum Advisory Group. If you want to better understand how real capital moves in today's economy, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.